Congratulations on your acceptance to the CIA. My name is Andre Franklin. I am the president of the Black Culinarian Society.
Hey y'all, my name is Leatrice Wilson, and I am a senior in both culinary science and applied food studies, and I am the vice president of BCS.
For me, BCS is a safe space where I can be myself, all while learning about other Black experiences and educating other non-Black people of color and our allies on the Black experience.
And BCS for me is the home away from home. It's a community of people who look like me, where we can share and exchange experiences, support, and love with each other.
BCS is known for some of the biggest events here on campus, like Wings and Things, karaoke, and brunches. We meet every Thursday at 9:15 p.m. in the multipurpose room B, which is located in the Student Rec Center near the pool. Now let's see what a few of our members have to say.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kiajane. Right now, I'm a sophomore at the Culinary Institute of America. I am earning my bachelor's degree in the hospitality degree program right now. So one of the reasons why I joined BCS is because, growing up, I went to a predominantly white high school, so there wasn't really too many people who looked like me, and there wasn't too many people interested in what I wanted to do. So it was a huge shock when people find out this was even a degree that you can earn. And I found it amazing that there was people out there who look exactly like me trying to do the same thing in the same industry. So that's one of the reasons why that immediately drew me to it. And also, we're also like a really big, huge family. And one of the main things I like about a BCS also is our deep conversations. We really dive in not only into world issues, but also things in our community as well, such as colorism. And we talk about generational curse, some things we experience in our family, and you really get to know the people you're going to school with. Even more than that, we teach each other how to move in this industry, how to wear a hair, how to dress, hygiene, maintenance, all that good stuff.
Hi, I'm India. I'm a sophomore at the Culinary, and I'm studying for my bachelor's in food business management. When I first came to the CIA and I found out there was a Black Culinarian Society, I was so excited because CIA is a predominantly white school. And even though we do have a diverse group of students, I wanted to feel that safety and security of having people who look like me in the Black community. And they're such an inspiration to me to become a better chef. And I also enjoyed some of the events that they have, like the Afrocentric that we had in the past February. It was such a nice event, very elegant, very cultural, and it was very Instagram worthy as well. And one of my favorite things that we do during our meetings when we have like those deep discussions and after everything's been said and done is open floor, because we have our tea sessions. I spill my tea during the week, and it's just so fun, and I really enjoy being a part of this club.
So again, we thank you guys on your acceptance to the CIA. We look forward to seeing you guys in September. Take care.